Alright guys, got a little stuck nut here. We got some strip nuts on this old Moto Four, Yamaha Moto Four. So I've got, it's an aluminum valve cover, or actually timing cover, and so the easiest way is doing the old trick with the welding a nut on it, and you have to ground to the vice grips, so we'll be good to go after that. Alrighty guys, let's have at her and see if we can get this stubborn biatch out. Ready? No, not yet. Oh wait, I gotta maneuver this.
If I'm lucky, I won't shake too much doing this.
Just in a bad spot, I gotta twist this nut. There we go. Good to go, man.
Don't mind Shaky, the camera guy here. Should've got the tripod out.
You mean they're gonna have something else to fucking bitch about?
Yep.
Really? Okay, that's just barely holding because I can't get a good control on this flex core, so now it's just tacked on there. Now I'm just gonna go on the side and weld the side of it to the nut. Get it. See. Okay. Try number 3. That had to be it.
Sativa.
That was a good freaking solid weld. Beauty.
It's coming out.
Oh yeah.
This thing just don't like me.
Says if you want me, you're gonna have to fight to get it running and working.
I'm willing to do that. There's not a whole lot wrong with her. It's not like she's blown out or anything.
Yeah.
A broken valve, I think, is it. Yeah, what's that gunk? It's like a gasket maker or something.
Yeah.
Actually, if you look, you can see. Is it this side?
They put too much in when they put the cover on.
Other side, you can see gasket maker sticking out the crack.
Yeah.
Clearly, someone's been in there.
But voila. This one was a bitch. First one come out, no problem. First try. This one, 3 nuts. Alrighty. Oh, your cleanup job.
I got it.
Alrighty guys, it usually goes always easy, but flex core is a little harder. It doesn't get penetrated into the nut, but hey, we got her. That's all that matters, right? Cheers.